In this video, I will be making almond milk juice using a juicer, or in my case two. Normally when I make nut milk juice, I use a food processor to do it and a cheesecloth to kind of like drain it out, you know, the old school way. But I've been hearing from a lot of people that you can make nut milk juice with a juicer. So I'm gonna be trying it out for the first time in this video. I did watch some videos prior to see exactly how to do it. So my goal here is to make some nut milk juice using the Nama, but I also wanted to include an inexpensive juicer. And this is a brand that I like called Cannoli. So I want to see if we could also make this almond juice with an inexpensive juicer as well. For those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Waisha. Welcome to my channel. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. So let's just dive right in. To ensure we get roughly the same amount and quality out of the almond milk juice, I made sure to put the almonds in small bowls, roughly around the same size. And then we also have some spring water as well. This is my first time actually trying almond milk made from a juicer. Let's just see what it's like. I'm gonna give it a little taste test because I'm curious. Now for this video, I'm not gonna add sweeteners and all that. I wanna keep it plain so that I can add sweeteners and do whatever I want with it throughout the week. I don't expect it to taste fabulous because I know I added no sweetener, no flavor and anything. So I'm not judging off of that basis. That's not too bad. So I feel like for me, the almond water ratio, I could have did a little bit better. Or maybe this is just the result of juicing or making almond milk juice with a juicer. To me, I found that when I use a food processor, it's a bit more creamier. It gives more of a milky texture, if that makes sense. So this one is a little bit more on the watery end, but again, it could be just the ratio of the portions that I put into the juicer. But aside from that, this is really good and it's very easy. Literally, I just toss in the almonds, throw in some water and let it do what it do. So I'm impressed. Even the pulp is extremely dry. Honestly, I could turn this into a snack itself. Look at this. This looks good. Sprinkle some cinnamon on there or something like that. Actually, there was a member in the juicing community that I have. And if you're interested, by the way, in juicing with a group of like-minded people, be sure to check the link in my description for the private Facebook group called the Juicing Sanctuary, where we come together, juice together, heal together, all the things. So a member in that community mentioned that she uses the pulp from her almond milk juice to make cookies and stuff like that. So I'm like, that's amazing idea, you know? So I'm definitely gonna see how I could play around with this a bit. Like, these are just fresh almonds, you know? Honestly, I may just eat it like that, add some sweetener on it. Anyways, I wanna get off topic. So let's go ahead and try cannoli. Ooh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So honestly, I would pretty much say the same thing I said for the Nama. Again, I feel like it's still more on the watery end. Could be my fault, right? Because of the portions. But I just feel like you're gonna get a creamier nut milk out of using a food processor, blending the almonds with the water together, and then squeezing it out with the cheesecloth. But this is not bad. This is not bad at all. I'm impressed. So there we have it. We know that you can make almond milk juice with a juicer. I'm pretty sure you could do this with any nut milk, whether it's walnut milk, whether it's cashew milk. This is exciting. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share the love. I would truly appreciate it. And if you have any other things that you want to see me produce on the channel, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I hope to see you all in the next videos. Peace and love.